Supreetha, welcome to my math class. So in the previous lectures on trigonometry, yes, we studied the definition of trigonometry. Yes, and then we solved some problems. We learned about the 6 trigonometric ratios. Yes, that were sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. And then in the previous lectures, we studied something about the unit circle. Yes, we studied about different angles, some standard angles of sine, cos and tan. Yes, so what was sine theta? Let me write down that table. Okay, sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Yes, sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay, what was sine 0 degree? Sine 0 degree was 0. What was sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree was half. Sine 45 degree was 1 divided by root 2. Sine 60 degree is much? Root 3 divided by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. Yes, what is cos 0 degree? It is 1. This would be root 3 by 2. Yes, this is 1 by root 3. This is half and this is 0. So basically, after writing cos, all the values, yes, you can flip it and write it. Yes, so sine 0 is 1, as you can observe. Cos 90 is 0. Yes, sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees half. Okay, so you can just flip it. Now, what is tan 0 degree? In the previous lecture, I told you tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Yes, I asked you to find tan theta values. Yes, what is tan theta now? 0 divided by 1 would be 0. Yes, what is 1 divided by 2? Divided by root 3 divided by 2. This would be 1 divided by 2 into 2 divided by root 3. Yeah, 2 gets cancelled and I would get 1 divided by root 3. The same thing, if I divide 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2, they are the same things, right? They get cancelled and I would get 1. Yes, as you see, root 3 by 2 and half, the denominators are same. They get cancelled and I would get root 3. Yes, what is 1 divided by 0? It is not defined, or we usually denote it with infinity. Okay, so these are some standard trigonometric values. Okay, now moving on, let me solve some problems on these. Yes, so the first question is, find the value of 7 sine 30 degree, okay, plus cos 60 degree. We just have to take the values from the table. What is sine 30 degree? Sine 30 degree is 7 divided by 2. What is cos 60 degree? That is, okay, sine 30 degree is half. 7 into half is 7 by 2. Okay. Plus cos 60 degrees again half. Yes, the denominator is same, so the LCM would be same. And just add the numerators, that would be 7 plus 1. That is 8. 8 divided by 2 would be 4. Okay, moving on, find the value of, yes, that is the second one. Find the value of sine square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree divided by tan square 60 degree. Yeah, what is sine 45 degree? Observe the table. Yeah, that is 1 divided by root 2, the whole square, plus 1 divided by root 2, the whole square again, divided by, what is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is root 3. What is a divided by b whole power m. It is a power m divided by b power m. Okay, this is equal to a power m divided by b to the power m. Okay, so that would be 1 square. So 1 divided by root 2 the whole square would be 1 square divided by root 2 the whole square. The square and root gets cancelled and I would get 1 divided by 2 because 1 square is 1 itself. Okay, so 1 divided by root 2 whole square means it is half plus half divided by 3. Yes, what is half plus half? 1, right? 1 divided by 3 is my answer. Yes. So yes, the third question is, if sine theta equals cos theta, sine theta equals cos theta, then find, 2 sine square theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 1 divided by 2 cot square theta. Okay, what have they given? They have given us sine theta by cos theta. How do you solve this? Yes, sine theta equals cos theta. They are asking us to find the value of 2 sine square theta and all these things. Okay, how do we solve this? I have sine theta is equal to cos theta. Let me divide both the sides by cos theta. Why? Because I know sine divided by cos is what? Tan theta. Yes, tan theta, I'll get tan theta is equal to 1. For which value in this table is tan theta 1? See, tan theta is 1 for 45 degree. Yes, I can say tan 45 degree is equal to 1, right? This is what it means. So I have 1 here. Yes, so can I replace this with tan 45? Yeah, I'll replace 1 with tan 45. Yes, now we have tan 45 is tan theta is equal to tan 45. This implies theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now, what are they asking us to find? We have theta value. Let me substitute that theta value in the second half of the question. That is 2 sine square. Yes, 2 sine square 45 degree minus 3 cos square 45 degree. Okay, plus half cot square 45 degree. What is sine 45? That is 1 divided by root 2 the whole square minus 3 into 1 divided by root 2 the whole square. Plus we know that tan 45 is 1. Reciprocal of tan is cot. So cot 45 would be, that would also be 1. Okay. Now we have 2 into 1 by 2. Yes, I just told you how to simplify this in the previous problem, right? So again we would have 3 into 1 divided by 2 plus half. Okay, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Agree? I have 1 minus 3 by 2 plus half. If I take LCM of 1 and 3 by 2, that would be 2 minus 3 by 2 plus half. Okay, what is 2 minus 3? It is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. These both gets cancelled and I would get 0. Okay, so 0 is our answer. Okay, moving on to our next question. That is, the fourth question is, if 4 sine square theta minus 1 is equal to 0, yes, they are asking us to find cos 2 theta. Okay, and cos square theta plus tan square theta And they are asking us to find third one, that is sine 3 theta. Okay, now we have from the question we have 4 sine square theta minus 1. How do you simplify this? Simplify for sine. What will I get? I would get 4 sine square theta is equal to 1. Then sine square theta is equal to 1 divided by 4. I need only sine theta on my LHS. What else can I do? I'll take square root on both the sides. Okay. So I will get sine theta is equal to half. Okay. For which value of sine theta? Is it half? Yes. Sine 30 degree is equal to half. Yes. So I can replace the half with sine 30 degree. I'll write half as sine 30 degree. If sine theta is equal to sine 30 degree, then theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay. We know the theta value. Let us try finding the first one, that is, they have asked us to find cos 2 theta. Yes, that is cos 2 into 30. That would be cos 60. What is the value of cos 60 degree? That is half. Okay. Now, the second question is, they are asking us to find cos square theta, or let me write it directly, cos square 30 degree tan square 30 degree. So, this would be, what is cos square 30 degree? That is root 3 by 2 whole square. And as you know, tan 30 degree is 1 divided by root 3, the whole square. So the value of this would be 3 divided by 4 into 1 divided by 3. 3 gets cancelled. So the final value is what? It is 1 divided by 4. Okay. Observe the third question. They are asking us to find sine 3 theta. Okay. The third one is find sine 3 theta. What is that? Sine 3 into 30. What is 3 into 30? 3 into 30 is sine 90. So this would be 1. Okay. So yes, the fifth question is find the value of 2 root 2 cos 45 degree. Yes, 2 root 2 cos 45 degree. Okay. And cos 60 degree. Yes. Plus 2 root 2 sine 30 degree tan 60 degree. Okay. Minus cos 0 degree. Okay. Now let me just directly substitute the values. That is 2 root 2 into what is cos 45 degree? It is 1 divided by root 2. What is cos 60 degree? That is 1 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 into what is sine 30 degree? It is 1 divided by 2. What is tan 60 degree? It is root 3 minus cos 0 degree is 1. Okay. Now I have 2 here and 2 over here. Root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. What else is remaining? 1 is remaining. Plus I have 2 here and 2 here. What is root 3 into root 3? That is 3. Yes, minus 1 is remaining. 1 and 1 gets cancelled. And the final answer is 3. Okay, so what did we study in this lecture? We tried solving some problems on the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so in the first problem, yes. So yes, in the first problem, everything was given directly. You just had to find 7 sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree. Okay, the answer was 4. Then the same thing with the second one. Okay, observe in the third one, they had given us sine theta is equal to cos theta. Yes, when I applied, we know that sine theta by cos theta is 1. So I divided on both the sides by cos theta. And we got theta is equal to 45 degree. Why? We know that 1 is, okay, we know that value of 1 is tan 45. So I substituted that and I got theta is equal to 45. And for the remaining question, I applied the value of theta as 45. Okay. And then in the fourth question, yes, they had given us 4 sine square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. I found what is, and they had, in the fourth question, they have given us 4 sine square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. And they asked us to find cos 2 theta. Yes, cos 2 theta was half. Why? We found that theta is 30 degree. Right? So cos 60 degree would be half. Yes, and the second question is they have asked us cos square theta plus sine square theta, but I've solved here cos square theta into tan square. So let me solve what is cos square theta plus tan square theta. Yes, so I'll just write this as second one itself. Yes, so second one is cos square theta or 30 degree plus tan square 30 degree. Okay, so the value of this would be root 3 by 2 whole square itself. So I'll directly write it as 3 by 4 plus 1 divided by 3. Yes, what is the LCM over here? The LCM is 4 and 3 are completely two different numbers. So the LCM would be just multiplication of them, that is 12. When you have completely different terms, you do cross multiplication. Yes, so that would be 9 plus 4. So the answer is 13 divided by 12. Okay. So yes, and the third question was sine 3 theta. In place of theta, if you substitute 30, you will get it as sine 90 degree. Okay, so sine 90 degree is equal to 1. And the fifth question was pretty straightforward. I just substituted the angles and simplified and arrived at 3. Okay, that is it for today's class. Thank you.